To invest in Bitstamp, you first need to create an account on their website. Go to the Bitstamp homepage and click on the Register button. Then fill out the registration form with your personal details, including your name, email address, and password. Once you have submitted the form, you will receive a verification email to confirm your account. After verifying your account, you need to provide identification documents to comply with anti-money laundering regulations. This typically includes a government-issued ID, proof of address, and a selfie holding your ID. The verification process can take a few hours or days, depending on the workload of the Bitstamp team. Once your account is verified, you can deposit funds into your Bitstamp account. Bitstamp supports various payment methods, including bank transfers, credit cards, and cryptocurrencies. To deposit funds, go to the deposit section of your account and select your preferred payment method. Follow the instructions to complete the deposit process. With your account funded, you can now start investing in cryptocurrencies on Bitstamp. The platform supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. To place an order, go to the trading section of your account. Select the cryptocurrency you want to buy or sell, and enter the amount you want to trade. You can choose from different order types, including market orders, limit orders, and stop-loss orders. It is essential to have a clear understanding of the fees associated with trading on Bitstamp. The platform charges a trading fee, which varies depending on the type of order and the volume of your trade. You can find the fee schedule on the Bitstamp website. To manage your risk, it is crucial to set a budget and stick to it. Never invest more than you can afford to lose, and consider diversifying your portfolio to minimize your risk. You should also keep your account secure by enabling two-factor authentication and using a strong password. In conclusion, investing in Bitstamp requires a few simple steps, including creating an account, verifying your identity, depositing funds, and placing orders. By following these steps and being aware of the fees and risks associated with trading, you can start investing in cryptocurrencies on Bitstamp and take advantage of the potential benefits of the cryptocurrency market.